Welcome to iLiveSmart. Today we have a very special video. It being Christmas season, we are going to be setting up a smart Christmas in our home for under $25. Yes, you heard that right, under $25. But look, come here, I'll make it better. It can actually be less expensive than $25. So this project can actually cost you as little as $5. Now, the goal of this project is really not to replace all the different lights in your tree that you already have. The goal of this video is to enhance your existing lights, Christmas tree, and teens, so they can now be controlled by Alexa, making it smart. Who doesn't want to turn on their Christmas tree from their bedroom? I mean, come on. Now, what's a better way to see what a smart Christmas might look like other than viewing this demonstration video I created yesterday?
Shout out to Jazzy, Vanessa, and Emily for letting me borrow their Christmas setup.
Alexa, turn off Christmas.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on Christmas.
Okay.
Alexa, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you too.
Alexa, turn on Christmas.
Okay.
Subscribe to the channel and click on that bell for notifications when other great videos like this come out. I get it. You're probably sitting there thinking something like this.
You know the government's watching you, right? Oh, 1 second. That was just my iPhone. Well, I need a subscription for a smart Christmas. I don't want to replace my Christmas tree. Smart homes are just so expensive. There's no way I can possibly have a smart Christmas for under $25. But Big Brother.
Just sit back and relax. There's nothing to worry about. Can't help with Big Brother, but I can help with the cost of your smart Christmas. Under $25, like I said.
Now, how we're actually going to go about creating this smart Christmas under $25 is with the help of something like this. And this here is a 2-pack of smart plugs from Walmart. What we'll end up doing is taking the smart plug and we'll plug it into our different lights that we already have around the house, our streamer lights, our Christmas tree, any specialty lights, and then we'll tie now this smart plug to Alexa, and now we have Alexa control, which is great, from Walmart. And if you're interested in these specific smart plugs, I actually did a full review on these, as well as an outdoor, more expensive smart plug that you can check out. But any smart plug that you find will do the trick, so long that it's compatible with Alexa, on my instruction. Smart plugs are great all year round, not just for Christmas. If you spend money on a smart plug, you'll get multiple uses out of this throughout the year around the house. So I recommend getting as many smart plugs as you can. This project can actually have some cost-saving benefits, because if you're used to just leaving your Christmas lights on 24/7 or falling asleep with them on, things like that, this project will help you, because now that your electronics will be smart, you can rest easy knowing that your lights are going to turn off every day at 10 p.m. on the dot.
Or that your lights will turn on in the morning, or that when you get home, your smart Christmas will begin, or when you leave, your smart Christmas will end, and you never have to worry about it. So, it's awesome.
Now, some of the benefits of placing your Christmas tree or other Christmas electronics on a smart plug is the ability, number 1, to set timers. Benefit number 2 is you can create Alexa routines.
Now I want to show you some of the setup that you should do within the Alexa app to make this work well. Number 1, you should be creating a group called Christmas. And within your Christmas group, you're going to add all your different plugs. And one important thing you want to do here for each of your plugs, you want to go into the settings and you want to change the type to light. And that way Alexa will treat it like a light. So if you just say turn off all lights, she'll include it, because she doesn't do that with a plug by default. So your group is one thing. Now you'll be able to say, Alexa, turn on Christmas. Alexa, turn off Christmas. You can refer to all Christmas smart plugs by this group name. Another thing you'll want to do is set up a routine here. You can create as many as you want, but I'll just show you the one that I've set up so far. Alexa, Merry Christmas, turns on the Christmas group. She says Merry Christmas to you too. And then I specifically asked her to play public domain Christmas music because I was recording and I don't want to get banned on YouTube, but you can actually just say something like Christmas music, or if you have a certain type of Christmas music you like, you can set it here. Like I would probably do something like a soulful Christmas. Awesome. Decide where you want this to play from, and then you'll have your routine. So any additional lights you can turn on. If you only want to turn on a set of them, you could do that. My specific plugs, I'm able to use a secondary app, Smart Life, to control the plugs. And I'll use this app just for my timers because it's a bit easier doing it this way. So I just say maybe I want to keep the lights on for an hour, or a true hour. I could just set it up that way. Or if I wanted to set routines and schedules, I could. So I can say automatically turn the tree on weekdays every day at a certain time. And then I can also turn it off at a different time. So that is perfect.
If you have any confusion about how to set up a smart plug or how the smart plugs work, I have another video here that you can check out that walks you through using this specific smart plug that I got from Walmart. And it also compares it to another good choice. It's an outdoor plug. Either way, once you have your smart plug within Alexa, Alexa's able to recognize that plug now as a light. You guys saw how you just turn on your Christmas tree and all the magic just fills the room. So really that's all you need. If you're into scents and candle warmers, you can take a candle warmer that you can leave on at all times while
Candle warmer should look something like this. I'll link to the specific one in the bio. You want to make sure whichever candle warmer you have has a switch so that it can remain on while plugged in. You don't need a fancy one that turns itself off because you have a $5 smart plug thanks to iLiveSmart, and it'll do that for you.
it's plugged in, and plug that into a smart plug, preset your little waxes into it, and then tie that to your routine. So when you start the holidays, your candle warmer turns on and you'll just start noticing the scent after any given time. And then on top of that, you can automate that so it turns itself off after 30 minutes or an hour or however long you know it takes to fill your space with whatever scent. Use features like Alexa's away lighting mode. Your tree and your other electronics will work in those different security features. Again, I want to reiterate the point of this video was to have an extremely low cost smart Christmas. So yes, we could have done this more grand and had smart Christmas lights and many different products that are out there and available, but I wanted to give you the bare minimum entry point list of equipment you need to get started with a smart Christmas. Here you are. I feel like I've done my service. So that's all I have for you today. If you found anything useful in this video, go ahead and leave a like down there, as well as subscribing if you're not already subscribed so you can catch more great videos like this. Now, with Christmas around the corner, let me know if you guys would like if I started a series on low-cost smart toys. Other than that, thank you very much. Continue living smart, and I'll see you guys next week. Alexa,